guys, so today we're going to be playing Let Escape 2.
I'm going to say, you are not, let's close the chat, and I just brought an oxygen tank with 10 coins, so it looks so fat.
Yay.
Why are we both in this different corners?
The dark corner!
Memories are back! Dark corner!
Wait, remember the finger, the dark corner!
I even did that. Wait, listen to my
The
bracelets.
dark corner!
Corner! Two of my bracelets broke yesterday, and I was really sad.
Of course you were, you're bracelet man.
Yeah, I was sitting with Liam on the bus. Then Liam gets sitting next to me. Well, I tried to...
Just wait. Just wait for the people to open the gate.
No, but I tried to be... That was in 6th grade, but I couldn't, and then he broke two of my bracelets, and then I started crying. And Liam said he would give me another bracelet soon, and now I got, like, 3 in backup.
Wait, how did he break them?
He had his hand stuck, so then I just went... He broke Pikachu and the glow-in-the-dark one. I didn't really care about the glow-in-the-dark one, but I was really sad that Pikachu broke.
Yeah, because you love Pikachu. Who doesn't? Okay. Just climb. Just climb. Climb. For the people to open the gate. Okay.
That girl doesn't need any help. Come on, chop.
Chop. Oh, I went the wrong way.
Here we go. Oh, there's a ladder. Well, that's ironic.
But I fell.
Wait, we won!
Oh yeah, we won. Oh yeah, we won. Oh, I thought this was the.
Oh, it's this map.
Boop, and boop,
Whoa,
and boop, and boop, No.
In this map, it would just be instant hell.
Guys, I'll see you in. Oh, I gotta level up, but I'll see you in the next one.
Spectate me. They want to watch that.
They don't want.
Yes, they do. What? I just teleported. What did I teleport?
We are waiting for the next round.
Oh yeah, I got 5 gems.
There we go, guys.
Okay, I'm past the video.
I know I already paused the video. No, I mean it was magic. It was magic, right?
The pro on this of the ladder that you can't climb up.
I can't climb up the ladder. Give me the let me climb up the ladder. 2 people are stuck behind because of this ladder.
I don't really hate this map, but I hate this map.
I don't hate it. It's just that ladders.
No, I completely hate this map with a burning passion.
Good.
When I hate something with a burning passion, that means something.
That means you love it. Right?
Yeah. Well, wait, you're still alive?
Yeah. No! Never mind. I'm not alive. Okay, I am.
You're still alive. I literally clicked this back. You jumped on the wrong side of the ladder! Are you stupid and blind?
Boom, I did it.
Well, you aren't.
Probably gonna die soon though.
Good luck. Just keep on giving good luck. He'll die. Good luck, Caleb. Good luck. Like so much good luck to you. You'll never
I did it.
die. Good luck.
I did it. I'm so proud of myself. I'm so proud. I'm so proud. We gotta do this, guys. We can do this.
You pissed the man off. And I am not lying about you. You couldn't win anyway.
What do you mean I couldn't win? I won.
I'm going to release the second episode of Super Mario 64 on Roblox.
What?
Episode 2 I'm going to release.
When are we going to? Well, you're asking me
I
that.
expect for today there will be another video posted 100% on Super Mario 64 in Roblox. And if it doesn't upload, we're dead.
What? I survived. I survived this. I survived more than you. I think this is where you go when you die.
I survived! Oh, wow. What? Why is there a fire shut? Oh, that's not fire.
The door is closed. I want to go past the door. I hate the doors with the fiery passion.
I've never been on this map. This came up, that's lava.
I know.
And I jumped over it. 360 legitness!
I can't go in.
360 is an exact circle. Just so everyone knows.
What? No, I can't go. Oh, I need to dive.
Oh god, you need a water tank.
Yeah, I do. I do very much.
No, if you get on this map, you really need a water tank.
Yeah.
You need an oxygen tank. Did you die?
Yep, because I did.
I'm
I didn't have a
water
water tank.
No. What, did you want pause?
Yeah.
Oh.
I said, woo! Maybe.
I almost punched the kid on the bus.
What?
I almost punched the kid on the bus that broke my bracelet.
Who
Got me full out anger.
I think I might die soon.
Screw it. I'm playing a different game.
Why?
Because I'm gonna raise a flippin' bonus game too! Hey guys! So like 15 minutes. Caleb, the name is moderated.
Name of what?
The name of the chat group. Hey Caleb. Pause the video. Hey guys! We are not playing Featherscape 2.
Actually, I am.
Don't even look at Caleb's screen. Like, I will literally join him, and I'll show you that we are obviously not playing Featherscape. We are doing a challenge, and Caleb's going to be doing the challenge of stop playing Featherscape 2.
No. I don't like challenge one day, but not this time. I am addicted. I am addicted. I am addicted.
Caleb, you actually want to know something?
What?
The American anthem is copyrighted.
What is?
The American anthem. Let's just play 5 seconds of that.
No.
Why? Be able to play 5 seconds.
I'm gonna take a risk.
I'm gonna take a risk. Yeah. What?
Don't you do it?
I'm going to.
Don't you do it? Don't you do it? Don't do it.
I'm gonna do it.
Don't you do it? Don't do it, you crazy man!
How about 1 second?
Don't do it. Just don't do it.
I'm just gonna place it away from... Oh wait, here, listen to the great ad. Okay, that's probably copyrighted too.
Everything in this world is copyrighted.
Actually, come on, song sign.
Every song that you want to play for the people is copyrighted.
Well, I just stuck that into the camera, so that's great. Not camera, flip. It's not a camera.
If only you could record video games, if only you could record videos on your channel.
You can?
No, you.
No, why me?
Because then we both have different sides. Like you could record a video of this, and I could record a video of this, and we'll both have two sides of it.
So why?
Because it would just be cool.
I would rage too much, and I don't even have a mic.
You don't need a mic with Mobazon. You can just get Mobazon, and you don't need a mic.
Yes, you do, Caleb. You need a mic for everything. Is the video part?
No.
And is
No.
the end of the video?
No, it is not.
This is the end of the video. Now listen to him. It's the end of the video. We all